Imagine how our ancestors used to determine a current position. They used celestial navigation such as sun, moon, and star. In the current world, things have changed a lot. A pocket-sized phone could give you the exact coordinates of your current location unless it is a GPS-enabled device. But how do these GPS satellites actually work?
The Global Positioning System (GPS) is actually a group of 27 satellites, in which 24 are in operation all the time, and 3 extra satellites in case of one fails. Initially, the satellite was developed by US for military purpose, but later this was available to everybody else, and the actual weight of the satellites are around 3,000 pounds, and all of the satellites are solar powered. And this satellite circles the globe at about 19,000 km, making 2 complete rotations every day. The satellites are arranged in such a way so that at any time, anywhere on Earth, there are at least 3 satellites visible in the sky. And these satellites work on a simple basic concept called trilateration. So what is trilateration and how satellite use this principle to detect your location? Let's have a real-time example of how this trilateration works. Imagine you are in some part of India and you are totally lost and you have no clue of where you are. You find a stranger and ask him, "Where am I?" And he replies, "You are 143 km away from Bangalore." The slight little information won't be useful because you could be anywhere on the circle around Bangalore that has a radius of 143 km. You find another person and ask him, "Where am I?" And he replies back to you saying that you are 182 km from Asan. And if you combine this information with the previous information, you have 2 circles that intersect. You now know that you must be at one of these 2 intersection points. If you are 143 km from Bangalore and 183 km from Asan. If a third person tells you that you are 132 km from Mysore, you can eliminate one of the possibilities because the third circle will only intersect with one of these points. You now know exactly where you are. Even satellites work in the same principle. So instead of series of circles, in satellites you get a series of spheres. If you know you are 10 miles from satellite A in the sky, you could be anywhere on the surface of satellite A. If you also know you are 15 miles from satellite B, you can overlap the first sphere with another larger sphere. The spheres intersect in a perfect circle. If you know the distance of a third satellite, you get a third sphere which intersects with the circle at 2 points, and each of the satellites send the radio signal to Earth at the speed of light, which varies around 3 lakhs km per second. And this is the reason your location gets detected as soon as possible when your GPS is on. If you find this information useful, please share this video and subscribe for my channel for more interesting videos like this.